Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever struggled with creating Notion templates from scratch or just want to make the process a ton smoother, this tutorial is absolutely for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to use only ChatGPT, no complicated coding or outside tools, to build Notion templates that fit your workflow perfectly. By the end of this video, you'll know how to instantly tap into AI assistance for Notion, find ready-made solutions, and even customize or create entirely new templates, all within a few minutes. All right, let's dive right in. First, go to ChatGPT in your browser. This is the main AI hub, and where we'll start unlocking its potential for Notion. The interface might look a little different depending on when you're watching this, but if you ever feel a little lost, just pause and look for key features. On the left-hand side, you'll spot a tab called GPTs. Now, this section is pretty cool. It's all about specialized AI helpers that focus on specific topics or tools. Think of it almost like an app store, but for different AI skills. These GPTs are designed to understand deeper nuances about what you're interested in, which, for us today, is Notion templates. What you want to do next is click on Explore. This opens up a sort of browsing window where you can search for different GPTs based on what you're working on. Go ahead and type Notion into the search bar. You'll see a ton of GPTs pop up related to Notion, some for general tips, others for advanced workflows, but look for ones that mention templates specifically. As you scroll down the results, you can see key details like ratings, categories, and even snippets of real conversations users have had. The ratings are a great way to see which GPTs are genuinely helpful, while categories will help you quickly find template builders rather than, say, productivity tips. Let's say, for example, you find a GPT that's dedicated to Notion templates. Select it. Don't worry if you're not sure which is best. You can always try a few and see which fits your style. Once you've clicked, you'll see an option called Start Chat. Hit that button, and you're connected with an AI assistant that's trained specifically to help with Notion. Now, here's the fun part. You can ask it anything you want related to Notion templates. Seriously, whether you're looking for a daily planner, a habit tracker, or a meeting notes layout, just describe what you need. For instance, you might ask, can you create a Notion template for weekly project planning? And watch as it generates a step-by-step structure, often with example fields, checklists, and even instructions for importing it into Notion. Don't worry if you're not sure how to ask. These GPTs are designed to guide you with clarifying questions, almost like a helpful friend who's really good at Notion. If you want something customized, mention your preferences. Maybe you want color-coded categories or a focus on deadlines. The more detail you give, the better the template it can generate. It might take a few moments to get exactly the answer you want. Sometimes you'll want to tweak things or clarify what you're looking for, but that's part of the process. Treat it like brainstorming with a super knowledgeable assistant. And that's it. You've just used ChatGPT to build a Notion template with no extra downloads, no scripts, and no headaches. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit like to support the channel. Drop any questions or thoughts in the comments. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and have fun building your perfect Notion setup with a little help from AI.